Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change a fillable text box border color and make it invisible or get rid of this text box border color. Open your fillable text box and I will remove this text box border color and make it invisible. Now click on this form option. Here you will find this select field option. Now click on this text box and select, and this properties option select, and properties dialog box, click on this properties option. This properties dialog box open, and this border color option, and simply make it no color, close, and similarly this one, select no color and close. Now click on this home and hand option and see this, there is no border, and you can fill it and see this, but not showing any border. Yeah, this is. And when you select this file option, save or save as at fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.